Hey y'all, are you tired of the cold, dreary winters of England? Well, come on down to Augusta, Georgia, where we have the best, and I mean very best, summers in all of the New
We
World.
have very many natural resources, like fish. The soil here is very, very fertile. The fertile soil is perfect for growing things like sugar, cotton, and indigo. We also have plenty of trees and a lot of cows. Look at this milk. Of the terrible, terrible farmland in New England that's just rocks like this. Well, come on down to Georgia. We have the best farmland in the world. This is true Georgia farmland. Just smell that nice dirt. We also have great relationships with natives such as the Cherokee and the Chickasaw. We don't have any slavery, and we never will.
Oh, hey there. Didn't see you there. I just love this colony founded by James Oglethorpe. You know, we're a royal colony after all.
James Oglethorpe is not responsible for any injury in Augusta.